Aloha mai kākou. Today, we're going to be learning 11 important phrases to know in ʻōlelo Hawaii'i. Maybe you have your family tree that ties you to Hawaii and you're Kanaka Maoli, the indigenous people to Hawaii, or you love the Hawaiian culture. Whatever reason it may be, it's very important that you learn these 11 basic phrases.
Aloha, Welina.
First, how to say hello or greet someone. You can say aloha or Welina if you want to be more formal. E hoʻopili mai. Try that with me. Aloha. Let's try the other one. Welina. Mai ka iloa. And it might sound something like this. Aloha e Justin. Welina e Mary.
O mea koʻu inoa.
The next phrase that you should learn is how to say my name is. It sounds like this. O koʻu inoa. So in that blank, you're going to put your name. If I were to introduce myself, it would sound like this. O maile koʻu inoa. Now I want you to try it and put your name in that blank. Makaukau, are you ready? A oia. O koʻu inoa. Mai ka iloa.
O wai koʻu inoa.
To ask someone, what's your name? It sounds like this. O wai koʻu inoa. Try that with me. E hoʻopili mai. O wai koʻu inoa. Mai ka iloa. If you were to use it in a conversation, it would sound like this. E palala. O wai koʻu inoa. Let's move on to the next phrase.
Ke ʻoluʻolu.
How to say please. E hoʻopili mai. Repeat after me. Ke ʻoluʻolu. Hana ho. Do it again with me. Ke ʻoluʻolu. Mai ka iloa. If you were to use it in a conversation, it would sound like this. E ha'awi mai ke la ke ʻoluʻolu. Let's move on to the next phrase.
Mahalo.
How to say thank you. Mahalo. Do that with me. E hoʻopili mai. Mahalo. Mai kaʻi. If you were to use it in conversation, it would sound like this. Mahalo nui loa.
E kalo mai.
The next phrase I want to teach you is how to say I'm sorry, pardon me, or excuse me. It's all the same phrase. E hoʻopili mai. E kala mai. Let's try that again. Hana ho. E kala mai. Mai ka iloa. If you were to use it in conversation, it would sound like this. E kala mai. ʻEhia o makahiki. Mai kaʻi. Let's move on.
Hana ho.
The next phrase is how to say, do that again. E hoʻopili mai. Hana ho. One more time. Hana ho. And if you were to use it in conversation, it would sound like this. Mai kaʻi e hana ho.
Ahui ho.
The next phrase is how to say goodbye or farewell. E hoʻopili mai. Repeat after me. Ahui ho. One more time. Ahui ho. Mai ka iloa. A means until. Hui means to meet. Ho means again. And if you were to say it to someone, it would sound like this. Aloha, ahui ho. Let's move on to our next phrase.
Pono wau I ke kōkua.
The next phrase is how to ask for help. If you were to say, I need help, it would sound like this. Pono wau I ke kōkua. E hoʻopili mai. Repeat after me. Pono wau ike kōkua. Let's try and say it all together now. ʻŌia. Pono wau ike kōkua. Maikaʻi loa. If you were to put it in a whole sentence, it would sound like this. Pono wau ike kōkua ke ʻoluʻolu.
Aia ʻEhia ka lumi hoʻopaupilikia.
Another important phrase to know is how to ask, where's the bathroom? E hoʻopili mai, repeat after me. Aia ʻEhia ka lumi hoʻopaupilikia. It's kind of a long one. Let's do it one more time from the top. Aia ʻEhia ka lumi hoʻopaupilikia. Maikaʻi. There's also another way to ask the same question, and it's a lot shorter, and it sounds like this. Aia ʻEhia ka lua? Try that with me. Aia ʻEhia ka lua? Maikaʻi loa. If you were to use it in a conversation, it would sound like this. Aia ʻEhia ka lumi hoʻopaupilikia ke ʻoluʻolu? Aia ʻEhia ka lua ke ʻoluʻolu?
ʻEhia ke kumu kūʻai.
The last phrase is how to say, how much does this cost? Repeat after me, e hoʻopili mai. ʻEhia ke kumu kūʻai. Let's do it all together. ʻŌia. ʻEhia ke kumu kūʻai? Maikaʻi. If you were to ask, how much do these fruits cost? It would sound like this. ʻEhia ke kumu kūʻai no keʻia mau huaʻai? I hope you enjoyed this lesson where we learned 11 basic phrases in ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi that you can use every day. If you enjoyed this ha'awina, please subscribe to our Kahalehoaka YouTube channel and check out our online classes at kahalehoaka.com. Ahui ho, malama pono.